Welcome back, guys, to the show. This is going to be another episode of Subscriber Scribbles, where I take suggestions you guys leave in the comments and turn them into pieces Van Gogh would sign himself. This video marks episode 3 in the series, and as you probably saw from the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be drawing Lara Croft, the Tomb Raider herself. And you're probably wondering, why is she blue? Carbon, I didn't know you could turn white into blue. Well, we're getting to that. Now, I haven't played much of the series. It's not a bad series, I just never got into it. And I believe the last one I played was Rise of the Tomb Raider, and that was pretty good. So I didn't really know what I was going to draw for Lara Croft, so I was searching the internet, and I found this really nice pose of her shooting a fire arrow. I don't know, maybe she's looking for like lunch or something. She just found something. I don't know what she's doing. But I thought it was pretty cool, so I decided to draw that. If you really think about it, shooting a fire arrow at a person doesn't really do more damage. Once it enters the person, unless they're covered in oil or like gunpowder, nothing's gonna happen. It's just an arrow, but it's on fire. Later on in this video, you'll see I completely butcher her face. Like I said in my first video, I'm going to be using pen to do all these sketches, and pen is a very unforgiving medium. Once you've made a mark with it, it's pretty much on the page for the rest of the drawing. You're really forced to slow down and take your time and really look at the form and shapes that you're drawing. The drawing was going pretty well. You know, I got into it. The body was going well. I made the bow, the hands. Everything came out the way I wanted it to. I was dumb. I was young. I was so young. And I got cocky, and I dove right into the face without any guidelines or anything like that. And every line I seemed to add just made it worse. It looked like halfway through a tomb, she fell into a chasm and landed on her face.
Which is pretty harsh, I know, but at the moment, that's how I felt.
I wasn't ready to scrap the drawing just yet because everything else came out so well, and I just continued with it, started shading everything. The shading came out perfect, well, as near as perfect as can be. And I really liked the drawing, except for the face, and it was just bugging me, and it kept bugging me. And I was looking around, I watched a couple different other YouTubers, and I see that in their sketchbooks, they'll kind of make mistakes, and they use a sticky note to cover up that mistake and just draw over it. Now listen, a sticky note is probably the best thing you can do. I tried it out for myself, and it's perfect. The sticky side, the adhesive side, sticks to the paper so it stays in place, but the other side allows you to flip up and kind of trace over the drawing or whatever portion of the drawing you kind of messed up on and just redraw it. It's like the best tool ever. It's like they're cheap, they're easy to get, and it's like a get out of jail free card. So if you were wondering in the beginning of the video, did I color that over in a marker or like watercolors or anything like that? Nope. It was a sticky note. I'm pretty sure whiteout does the same job, but I feel a sticky note is a lot better if you just want to add a little color. I generally turn to work in black and white, so I'm definitely going to buy like an array of sticky notes. I don't know if you guys have seen leather jackets or a cardigan that has a patch on the elbow or maybe the forearm, and I feel that's what it adds to the drawing. But we all know there's a rip underneath it. And to be honest, thanks to it, it kind of saved the drawing, and I'm actually happy the way it came out. And that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and share the video. It really helps me out. Peace.